Hi, today we got some G.I. Joes in a package, and there's 8 of them. So let me show you the 8.
It's a start to Carson's vintage collection.
Here we got this one.
Big Boa. What do we got next? We got Tunnel Rat.
Tunnel Rat. And a vintage.
We got Mind Bender. Let's see him. He's got his cape. He's got his cape with him. Very nice figure. We got Roadblock, one of Dad's favorites.
Yep.
He's cool. He's on Mindbender's team. Xandar, one of Dad's favorites. Thrasher. Is that all of them?
Nope.
We got one more. Ooh, he's a pilot. I think that's Left Ticket.
That's all.
That's all for today?
Yep.
Or that's all for right now, because tonight we're going to hit the live auction, aren't we?
Tonight it is going to be a shine.
All right.
With the dog and the table.
We'll talk to you later.